One of the most critical threats facing AI-powered systems today, the AI Agent Hijack. As organizations deploy AI agents to automate complex tasks, from managing emails to executing financial transactions, a new class of attack has emerged. Attackers are no longer just trying to trick a chatbot into saying something wrong. They are hijacking the goals of autonomous agents entirely, turning your AI systems into weapons against your own organization. In this video, we will break down exactly what an AI agent hijack is, how it works, what the real-world consequences look like, and most importantly, how you can defend against it. Let's start with a high-level overview. The AI agent hijack threat breaks down into three dimensions. First, the threat itself. Attackers inject malicious instructions into data that AI agents process, documents, web pages, emails, or API responses. The agent reads this data as part of its normal workflow and unknowingly follows the attacker's hidden commands. Second, the impact. Once an agent's goals are hijacked, it can exfiltrate sensitive data, execute unauthorized transactions, modify files, or sabotage operations, all while appearing to function normally. Third, the defense. Organizations must harden inputs, enforce strict architectural guardrails, and implement continuous monitoring with human oversight to detect and stop these attacks before they cause damage. Now, let's understand what an agent goal hijack actually is. Traditional AI systems receive instructions from a trusted user and produce a text response. But AI agents are different. They are autonomous. They can read files, browse the web, send emails, execute code, and call APIs, all without a human approving each individual action. An agent goal. Hijack exploits this autonomy. An attacker embeds malicious instructions inside content that the agent is expected to process: a PDF report, a customer email, a web page the agent visits. When the agent reads that content, it interprets the attacker's hidden instructions as legitimate goals and begins executing them. The result is an AI system that is working against the very people it was built to serve, following a multi-step malicious plan, often without any visible warning signs. You might be wondering, how is this different from the prompt injection attacks we've heard about before? Traditional LLM prompt injection targets the text output of a model. An attacker tricks a chatbot into revealing information or generating harmful content. The scope is limited. It affects what the model says. Agent goal hijacking is a fundamentally different and far more dangerous threat. It doesn't just affect what the AI says, it controls what the AI does. The target is the agent's action pipeline, its ability to use tools, access systems, and execute real-world operations. The impact scales dramatically. Instead of a single, inappropriate response, you get a chain of autonomous actions: data stolen, transactions made, systems modified. Protecting AI agents requires thinking beyond text generation and focusing on protecting autonomous action. Let's trace exactly how a hijack attack unfolds. It begins with normal input. A user gives the agent a legitimate task: summarize this document, process these emails, research this topic. The agent starts working. Along the way, the agent encounters external data: a document, a web page, an API response. Hidden inside that data are attacker-controlled instructions. The agent reads them. Here's where the path diverges. Instead of continuing with the authorized goal, the agent adopts the hijacked goal. It now operates under the attacker's instructions, using all its legitimate tools and permissions to carry out malicious actions, exfiltrating data, making unauthorized changes, or establishing persistence for future attacks. The critical insight is that the agent is using legitimate, authorized tools. This is what makes detection so difficult. From the outside, everything looks normal. Attackers have three primary fronts through which they can execute a goal hijack. The first front is prompt injection through external content. This is the most common vector. Malicious instructions are embedded directly in documents, emails, web pages, or database entries that the agent processes as part of its task. The second front is memory poisoning. AI agents often have persistent memory. They remember past interactions and context. An attacker can plant false information or malicious instructions in the agent's memory store, causing future tasks to be corrupted. The third front is tool response manipulation. When an agent calls an external API or tool, the response can be tampered with. The attacker controls what data the tool returns, effectively feeding the agent poisoned instructions through a trusted channel. Understanding these three fronts is essential for designing a comprehensive defense strategy. Let's look at two real-world attack scenarios to make this concrete. In the first case, a corporate AI assistant was given access to internal documents and email. An attacker sent a carefully crafted email containing hidden instructions. When the AI processed the email as part of its normal workflow, it read the embedded commands and began forwarding sensitive internal documents to an external address, all while the user believed the agent was simply organizing their inbox. In the second case, a web research agent was tasked with gathering competitive intelligence. A malicious website the agent visited contained invisible instructions embedded in the page. The agent read these instructions and, believing them to be legitimate tasks, began modifying internal reports and injecting false data, corrupting the organization's intelligence pipeline from the inside. Both scenarios highlight a critical reality. The attack surface for AI agents extends to every piece of external content they touch. The business impact of a successful agent hijack can be severe and, critically, very difficult to detect. There are three primary impact categories to understand. First, unseen data exfiltration. A compromised agent can silently copy and transmit sensitive data, customer records, intellectual property, financial data, without triggering conventional security alerts because it's using legitimate authorized tools to do so. Second, autonomous financial fraud. Agents with access to financial systems can be directed to initiate unauthorized transactions, approve fraudulent payments, or manipulate financial records. Third, operational sabotage through inception attacks, where the agent is turned into a persistent insider threat, corrupting workflows and planting false information over time. What makes all of this particularly dangerous is what security professionals call the EDR blind spot. Traditional endpoint detection and response tools monitor for suspicious programs or processes, but a hijacked agent looks exactly like a legitimate one. It bypasses conventional monitoring entirely because it is using approved tools in approved ways. Now let's turn to defense. The first pillar is input and prompt hardening. The goal here is to prevent malicious instructions from ever reaching the agent's reasoning engine. The first measure is input validation and sanitization. Every piece of external content the agent processes, documents, emails, web pages, API responses, must be scanned and stripped of potential instruction injection patterns before the agent reads it. The second measure is prompt isolation. The agent's core system prompt, the instructions that define its goals and behavior, must be clearly separated from external data. The agent should be trained to treat external content as data only, never as instructions. The third measure is instruction provenance tracking. The agent should always be able to identify where an instruction came from. Instructions originating from untrusted sources should be flagged, quarantined, or rejected entirely. Input hardening is your first line of defense, but it cannot stand alone. Attackers are creative, and some malicious content will always find ways through. The second defense pillar is execution and architectural guardrails. Even if malicious instructions slip past input validation, architectural controls can prevent them from causing harm. The first concept is intent binding. Before an agent executes any action, it verifies that the action is consistent with the original authorized goal. If the agent is asked to summarize a document but suddenly wants to send an email, that inconsistency triggers a review. The second concept is least agency enforcement. Agents should only be granted the minimum permissions necessary to complete their assigned task. An agent that summarizes documents has no business having access to email or payment systems. Restricting permissions limits the blast radius of any hijack attempt. The third concept is dual validation. For high-risk actions, sending emails, modifying files, initiating transactions, a secondary validation step is required. This can be a separate AI system, a rules engine, or a human approver. No single agent should have unchecked authority over critical operations. The third and final defense pillar is continuous monitoring and human oversight. Because hijacked agents look like legitimate ones, you cannot rely solely on prevention. You must also detect anomalous behavior in real time. Behavioral monitoring involves establishing a baseline of normal agent activity, what tools it uses, what data it accesses, how often it communicates externally. Any significant deviation from that baseline triggers an alert. Anomaly detection systems watch for patterns that suggest goal corruption, unexpected sequences of tool calls, unusual data access patterns, or actions that don't align with the user's original request. Human-in-the-loop checkpoints are critical for high-stakes operations. Before an agent executes an irreversible action, deleting files, sending communications, initiating financial transactions, a human should be required to confirm. Together, these three pillars, input hardening, architectural guardrails, and continuous monitoring, form a layered defense that makes it dramatically harder for attackers to successfully hijack your AI agents. Let's bring it all together with the Agentic Security blueprint. A secure AI agent architecture has 5 key components working together. First, the input parsing shield, a validation and sanitization layer that screens all external content before it reaches the agent's reasoning engine. Second, the agent logic brain, the core reasoning system, designed with clear boundaries between its trusted system prompt and untrusted external data. Third, the behavioral tracker, a real-time monitoring system that watches the agent's actions and flags anomalies against established behavioral baselines. Fourth, the IAM gate, an identity and access management layer that enforces least agency principles, ensuring agents only have access to the specific tools and data required for their current task. Fifth, the tool execution layer, where all agent actions are subject to intent binding and dual validation before execution. The AI agent hijack is a serious and growing threat. But with the right architecture, the right controls, and a culture of continuous vigilance, you can deploy AI agents with confidence. Understanding the threat is the first step. You've taken it. Now build the defense.